Guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm just going to do introduction to what time modules or what time libraries is. I've talked about what libraries is and what frameworks are. You can see time is a framework and is a library in Python programming language. And when we talk about library, we know that libraries contain a lot of those of modules. I know that modules are just basic functions or basic things that has been written that you can import it and then make use of them. And the libraries is like a house for them. It takes a whole lot of functions and then it's making use of them. So we're going to look at what time is time library is throughout this series. So that's what we're going to do, making use of time to do some basic things so we can know how to implement time modules. And we know that time modules deals with things, it provides a function for anything relating to that of time. It can be used for that, like that of delay time. It can also be used for like timestamp, and it can also be used for like time system clocks, for example. That's all basically examples of what time modules, or I can say time libraries, does in Python programming language. Other programming language have their own, but we're going to focus mainly on Python as of now. So I'll be happy to see you throughout this series, and also make sure you are doing something, you are getting your hands with the time. So it's going to be really, really fun throughout this series. So I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.